So, do you want to know how $300 can make you $30,000? And I'm not exaggerating on this because I personally did this myself. Now, this was one goal I used. So I was thinking to myself, like, man, if I try this again and do it a little different, tweak it a little bit, I can make even more. And you know what I did? I used the same tools to change my life, change how I look at networking, change how I look at placing ads. And let me tell you what I did. I spent $5 on 5 ads. That's $25. I did that every month for 12 months on Craigslist, promoting myself personally. And I used different topics. One topic might be mobile welder. Another topic might be welder installer for hire. Another topic might be welding and fabricator. Another topic might be dump trucks and tanks repairs. Another topic might be trailer repairs and modifications. Container modifications. You see what I'm saying? You put your prices, you put some photos of your work, what you've done, things you can do, and your contact information. And you will be surprised who will contact you. Now think of it like this. It's not how many people contact you, but it's who contact you that will change your life. Hold on.